This is a guitar I made for a very good friend of mine many, many years ago. Kind of like a scaled down jumbo guitar. Ebony binding. Boy, I remember bending that. No thanks. And an ebony fingerboard. I just cut a new compensated nut for this one. New bridge saddle. This guitar is actually playing better and sounding better than it ever has. And this has got an old LR Baggs kind of dual system microphone and pickup system in it. So of course we got the compensated nut and we got the split block inlay. Man, that's a ton of pearl I put in this. So let's go into the studio. I want you to hear this thing. So this is the back of this guitar, and it's held up beautifully. It's still got a beautiful spherical radius on it. And that is the back of the neck and the headstock. Later. So here is the guitar with that system half and half. So it's got a half microphone, half bridge pickup. So I've panned that back to just a hint of the microphone. It's not natural to put a microphone inside a guitar. Generally, you should have it about 12, 18 inches away from the sound hole or the end of the fingerboard, if you ask any recording engineers. So this is mostly the system in the bridge, but it's panned to the microphone. Just a hint. So I'm going to bring it up half and half again, just so you hear the difference. Garden variety D chord. So back it off to where Travis had it there. Bring just a little bit more microphone there. Okay. Now this is something else you've seen me do in other videos as well. So this is a major, kind of gone with A major again, and it's a 1-7-3-2-5-1 progression. So I start with A, this is A add 9, and again A major 9, and then G sharp minor 7 flat 5. I add that 13 or the 6th on top, open E string, and then to C sharp minor 9, to B minor 11, and then E7 flat 9. So I've got that progression looped, and I'm going to add a second part over top of it. Now the reason I'm going to all this extent is to be able to once again demonstrate just how accurately this guitar tunes from one end to the other, string to string, fret to fret, chord to chord. So this is the accompanying harmonic progression played over that first one you just heard. First chord. Here's these two progressions played together, and then you can be the judge as to how in tune this guitar sounds. I'll let it play through one time so you can hear the different chords playing together. I do wish to send a thank you to all my local customers and everyone who's commuted to Stratford to drop your instruments off. You know that I really do like to hang out in the shop for 45 minutes, especially when people are driving from out of town. But I have a long-time customer who's coming to drop yet another guitar off today. As I explained to him, I will meet him outside the shop door. I'll stand on the other side of the car and we can have our conversation from a distance. This is the new reality, obviously, this whole social distancing thing. And for any of you that are shipping guitars, you'll see on the bottom of the screen a URL where you can buy a good guitar shipping cart for about $18. As I mentioned in other videos, I do not stockpile repairs. I take a few at a time, finish what's on my plate, and then book in the next small batch. And I hope you enjoyed that last little clip of Travis's guitar. It is very cool for me to kind of see something from a quarter of a century ago, and it's holding its own, sounded better than ever. Cheers everyone, stay safe, and I'll be back soon.